Guys, I'm just loving this makeup, so let's just take it in for a second. Anyway guys, today I'm using all new products from Makeup Studio 88. It's a local makeup brand. I mean, let's just give a round of applause to our local makeup brands. I use their glitter. They have such cute packaging. I will post what I used on my Insta story, which is Caribbean Yukti, so feel free to follow me, same as my YouTube name. I use this gold, which is like, this gold is like so wicked, it's beautiful. Like, maybe pictures will show the detail of the liner more, but it's beautiful. Then I went in with their setting spray. The ingredients are isopropyl alcohol. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I'm not a scientist, so don't come with me. Isopropyl alcohol, witch hazel, tea tree oil, 100% rose water, distilled water, vegetable glycerin, and other ingredients. Now, I will let you guys, this is my first time using the setting spray. My mother has used it before because she rushes me to do everything. So if you want to find out her review on the setting spray, you could follow her on Instagram. I'll make sure to leave that down below. And my review on the Makeup Studio 88 setting spray will be on my profile, Caribbean Yukti. And before I leave, guys, again, let's just oh! Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys.
I come to play with you hoes. I came to slay, bitch.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up you're